सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अस्माकम् अद्यतनवर्गः अस्ति 19 अभ्यास 19 इति अभ्यास 19th 19 अभ्यास सन्धिप्रकरणेन सह अद्यतनसन्धिः इको यणचि प्रसिद्धसन्धिः अस्ति। इको यणचि गुरुकुलायां और गुरुकुलासु इति प्रथमसन्धि अस्ति। इको यणचि इति प्रथमसन्धि, फर्स्ट सन्धि दट् इस् टॉट इति शिक्षयति। प्रथमे वयम् अभ्यासः पश्यामः। वयं तो सन्धि पश्यामः सन्धि पश्यामः च। पेज 38 38। राजन शब्द, राजन प्रातिपदिका अस्ति, राजा शब्द। मूर्धन प्रातिपदिका, तक्षण प्रातिपदिका। राजन किंग, राजा। मूर्धन सिर, हेड। तक्षण बढ़ई मीन्स क्राफ्ट्स पर्सन, somebody who is doing crafts, बढ़ई शब्द। शिल्पकार, बढ़ई अथवा शिल्पकार पर्यायवाची शब्दे स्तः। वृत्त होना, ईक्ष देखना। भाष कहना, so वृत्त is to become, ईक्ष to see, भाष to say, कूदना to jump, यत करना put effort, रम लगना अथवा रमण करना, लगना जैसे इतिवत। कर्म में लग जाओ, कर्म में रम अथवा रमण करना, कर्म में रमण करना, एंजॉय द जॉब। वंदना करना, वंद। शिक्ष सीखना। कांपना, कंप इज टू शिवर इन फियर, ट्रेम्बल इन फियर एंड सो ऑन। परा उपसर्ग पूर्वक आई इति पलाय शब्द, भागना टू रन। चेष्टा करना टू विश फॉर समथिंग। आलंब सहारा लेना, टेकिंग सपोर्ट ऑफ समथिंग। ध्वंस नष्ट होना इति ध्वंसयति, लाइक द न्याय प्रध्वंसाभाव, something that is there today but is subject to destruction, subject to dhamsa, like that. Pradhamsa, dhamsa, nashta hona. Avyay शब्दे शब्दानि सन्ति।
Pradhamsa is subject to
dhamsa. Pragabhava, it was not there before but it will be there after. Pradhamsa bhava, it is there now but it will go, it will get dhamsa someday. Pradhamsa. अन्यथा, नहीं तो, otherwise. शीघ्र क्विकली। सहसा एकदम, सडनली, सहसा। किंचित कुछ, सम, लिटिल बिट। राजन तक्षण, राजन के तुल्य। वृत्त ध्वंस, सेव के तुल्य। So the same way, verse like yesterday we saw sevate, Vartate, dhvamsate, yatate, kurdate, bhashate, different dhatus are there. So ikshate in Taittiriya Upanishad, in Aitareya Upanishad, Saikshate lokanusrja iti Aitareya Upanishad. Saikshate bahusyam prajaya Taittiriya Upanishad. So all those Upanishads also had ikshate shabda. Te, ikshate, not ikshati. Ikshate, so it is
for me, I do it for me.
Ha. Which pada?
Ikshate is
Parasmay or Atmane?
Atmani.
Atmane pada. Correct. Samichinam. Ikshate. So the Paramatma thought I should say ikshate. He thought bahusyam prajaya. Let me become many. So here the self.
Let me become many for myself.
Yeah, because not for somebody else. There is nothing else.
There is nobody else. Okay.
So Atmane pada. Say ikshate. Vyakarana Rajan Lot Lakara. So yesterday we saw Atmane pada Lat Lakara. Adyatana Vargahasi Atmane pade Lot Lakara. Yand Sandhi Tritiya. Rajan Shabd ke pure roop smaran karo. I'll read this as usual. But I would again, as before, suggest that when you have free time, read it to yourself or to somebody. Page number 67. Rajan. Raja Rajanau Rajanaha Rajanam Rajanau Rajnyaha Rajnya Rajabhyam Rajabhihi Rajnye Rajabhyam Rajabhyaha Rajnyaha Rajabhyam Rajabhyaha Rajnyaha Rajnyoho Rajnyam Rajni Rajnyani Rajni or Rajani, both are correct. Rajni or Rajani Rajnyoho Rajasu. He Rajan, he Rajanau, he Rajanaha. So for example, if I want to listen of Raja, Rajnya, I want to go to the kingdom of that Raja, Rajnya, Rajam, Rajnyam, Gamitum Ichchami, Gantum Ichchami. I want to go there. So Rajnya, of, by or by, through, with, all these shabdas, Rajnya, Tritiya Vibhakti. तक्षण मूर्धन एटसेट्रा इनके रूप इत्यादि इनके रूप राजन इतिवत चलेंगे. इट विल गो इन द सेम वे. चलाओ, राजन के तुल्य चलाओ. सेव लोट आत्मनेपद. अगेन आई रीड. सेवताम सेवेताम सेवंताम सेवस्व सेवेथाम सेवध्वम सेवई सेवावहै सेवामहै. So for example, aham sevai, I should do seva. Or sevatam, he should do seva. Saha sevatam, tvam sevasva. And in the same way, other dhatus, shikshatam, vadyatatam, kurdatam, bhashatam, ikshatam, all these shabdas will go in the same way. He should, lot lakara. The instruction, request, or it is good for him. That would be vidhiling if it is indirect, but there will be overlaps between lot and vidhiling. Sankshipt रूप लगाकर लभादि के तथा वृतादि के रूप बनाओ. लभादि तथा वृतादि. So all that will go with the संक्षिप्त रूप. अताम एताम अंताम अस्वएथाम अध्वम ए आवहै आमहै. आई आवहै आमहै. वृत आदि के लट में ये रूप होते हैं. वर्तते, इक्षते, भाषते, कूदते, लाइक वी सॉ यस्टरडे. सेवते, पठते, गमते, एटसेट्रा. खादते. सो वर्तते, इक्षते, भाषते, कूदते, यतते, रमते, वंदते, शिक्षते, कंपते, पलायते, चेष्टते, आलंबते, ध्वंसते, एटसेट्रा. सो दिस इज ऑल इन लट. इन लोट सेव के तुल्य इनके रूप चलेंगे. चलाओ. सो सेवताम will be vartatam, ikshatam, bhashatam, kurdatam, yatatam, etc. अभ्यास 7, 8 and 9 में दिया तृतीया के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो. That we had already seen. If there is any question, we can address it later. But it is simple, all those niyamaha. We know them already, so we don't need to spend too much time there. Udaharan vakya. So I will ask everyone for translations. राजा राज्यं करोति. सुन्दरजी वदतु.
The king kingdom he does. So he rules his kingdom.
Yeah, correct. समीचीनं. राजानं पश्य. हरिजी वदतु. हरिजी म्यूट इति प्रयोगे
Rajanam is karma. Rajan see the king.
See the king. बहु सम्यक्. राज्ञा सह मंत्री वर्तते. I would say this. राज्ञा सह मंत्री वर्तते with राजा. There is मंत्री वर्तते. राज्ञः आज्ञां पालय अन्यथा स कोपिष्यति. राज्ञः आज्ञां. The आज्ञा पालय is which रूप? पालय लकार.
Palaya Lakara is like Anaya, isn't it? Like Palaya. So
पालय कस्मिन् लकारे अस्ति? पालय पालय obey.
Yeah, it's
लोट. पालय is लोट लकार.
okay.
Obey the king. राज्ञः आज्ञां पालय. So obey the command of the king. अन्यथा स कोपिष्यति. Otherwise he will get angry. कोपिष्यति कस्मिन् लकारः? कोपिष्यति
future tense. Future tense. So lit lakara.
Lit lakara. So in one sentence they are given two lakaras and neither is lut or lung, which are the common ones. Palaya lot, kopishyati lit. Balakasya murdhini palam apatat. This is simple. On top of the boy's head, murdhini, head. Palam apatat. The fruit fell on the boy's head. On we are saying murdhani because saptami. Murdhan shabda like rajni. We had seen in page 65, 63 or 65 or whatever. Rajni, in that way, murdhani. Taksha karyam karoti. Taksha, badai, crafts person. Karyam karoti, does the job. Now I'll ask one more. Atra, this is easy. Atra Rama vartate se ikshate bhashate kordate cha. So Rama is here, he sees, he says, he jumps, etc. Saputram ikshatam vachanam bhashatam kurdatam yadatam ramatam cha. So this is all lot lakara. First one was lat lakara. Saputram ikshatam. He should look at the sun. He should say words to the sun, speak to the sun. He should put effort. He should kurdatam, jump, ramatam cha. He should enjoy, etc. Okay. Okay, we can see this. Sundarji, Tvam Gurum Vandasva Vidyam Shikshasva La Jnanam Labhasva cha. How would you say?
So you, Tom, so you should Vandasva. So therefore that is again lot. So therefore you should do Vandana. You should do Vandana to your Guru. You should study Vidya Shikshasva. So you should study from your Guru. Jnanam labhasva and gain jnana.
बहु सम्यक्. हरिजी वदतु भवान्. अहं चेष्टै वर्धै मोदै दुःखं सहै च. कस्मिन् लकारे अस्ति इति?
चेष्टै.
चेष्टा इति उत्तमपुरुषः अस्ति.
सेवै. So it's उत्तमपुरुष एकवचनं.
समीचीनम्. आत्मनेपद कस्मिन् लकारे? लोट् लकार. आत्मनेपद लोट् लकार.
लोट् लकार. आज्ञार्थ.
आज्ञार्थ. बहु सम्यक्. तो अहं चेष्टै वर्धै मोदै दुःखं सहै.
I should play, grow, enjoy, and bear my dukkha.
Correct. Cheshta I wish for. I should wish for some cheshta.
Okay.
Cheshta karna. Durjana palayatam. May the bad people run away. Palayatam. Lot lakara.
बहुवचन.
No. Ekavachana. May the bad person run away. Durjana sevatam palayatam. Vande mataram. Vande to the mother. Glory to the mother. Okay. This Sanskrit Banao, we'll just see 1-1 because it is simple. Yes.
One day,
Ah.
that is, which vibhakti will that be? One day, or is it just?
Vande would be like this.
Matra means ko, so it is Dvitiya.
That is Dvitiya. So Vande. Vande is like to. It is like glory to the mother, worship to the mother,
worship to-
and so on.
too. So I'm saying from the what the
Fourth vibhakti, is it?
Mataram will be subject to vibhakti, right?
Okay, yeah.
Vande-
Vande is correct. Vande is the verb.
Ah. So Vande Shabda, it will be Vande to that Vande itself is a Shabda. It is not a declination of anything, is what I think. I will check in.
Aham Vande. Actually, it is Aham Vande Madhagam.
So I should do this to the Mataram.
Ekavachanam Vande.
But then it would be Vandai, right?
Give me one day.
Tamakrishna is Seve
Sevai.
Vande. Lot, yeah, Lot is Sevai.
Sevai. Okay. It is Latlakara. Latlakara Uttama Purusha Ekavachana is Seve. Like that, it will be Vande. Yes. It's a very good question because it's such a common thing that we say and we just go over it. Vande. Aham Vande. Vande Matram. Bahu Dhanyavadaha. Raja aa raha hai. Raja is coming. Raja ko namaskar karo. Lot lakara. These are all easy. Something is some difficult. Raja के साथ सेनापति है. राजा को धन दो. राज्ञे सह. So with the Raja. राज्ञा सह मंत्री अस्ति. Okay. Raja agachati. Rajanam namaskar. Nama.
Rajanam
Rajanam Nama. Okay. Now we'll see the fifth one. राजा का राज्य बढ़े. हरिजी वदतु भान. राजा का राज्य बढ़े. This is let the Raja's kingdom grow. Let it grow. बढ़े. हरिजी mute.
Yeah, Raja ka Rajas, Rajnyaha Raja ka Rajyam Rajyam Vartade.
Vartate would be Vartate would be lat. Here we want lot. Let there be. So this will be Vardha.
So Vartede. No, not Vartede. Sevate.
No, Sevate is lat. Lat lakara.
Sevate. That is lat. So Sevadam. Varteda.
Vardhatam.
Varthadam. Sorry.
Rajnyah Rajyam Vardhatam. Let it grow. May it grow. And Sundarji vadatu bhavan balak का सिर सूंघो नहीं. शिष्य के सिर पर फूल गिरा. इति वदतु.
Right. So therefore the Chaturthi Shishya Ke
षष्ठी के षष्ठी.
Shishya Ke Shashti, correct. So Shishyagyaha.
Shishya is Pullinga, Rama Shabdat. Not Rajnya Shabdat, Raja Shabdat.
So Shishyasya.
Shishyasya.
Shishyasya. So Shishyasya. Mood. Okay, the mood. Okay. Par is, yeah, so on. Murdini. Shishyasya Murdini.
Murdini.
Shishyasya Murdini. Pushpam. Pushpam Gira. So Patata.
Gira is Kasmin Lakare asti Gira.
Gira is Parful Gira. So it is lung. It happened in the past. Right?
Lung, Pat Dhatu, Lung, Ekavachanam.
Patatu. No.
Patati. Patati Sma. Or Apatat. Apatat. Phalam Apatat. Sorry, Pushpam Apatat. It will go. One word. Which sandhi is this? Pushpam Apatat. Kasmin sandhi asti Pushpam Yogaha Apatat. Pushpam Apatat. Kasmin sandhi?
Visarga sandhi. Yesterday we saw.
But yesterday we didn't say Visarga sandhi. Yesterday we saw is correct. Mo Anuswara. Yesterday we saw Anuswara sandhi. Mo Anuswara.
So not Visarga, Anuswara. Sorry.
Mo Anuswara Hyaha. Hyaha asmakam vishaya asti sma. Mo Anuswara. So Phala Pushpam Apatat. Then Hariji Vadatu Bhavan. ये विवाद मत करो. I hope you remember alam vivadena. Alam is don't do. Vivadena तृतीया विभक्ति. ख यहाँ सुख हो. हरिजी भगवान वदतु यहाँ सुख हो.
यहाँ means atra sukham vartatam.
Atra sukham.
This bhavadi
vartatam, right?
Vartatam, yeah.
Like sevatam.
Yeah,
vartatam.
Load, not load. It's with the link, no?
No, lot only. Varta. Now today's right. Lot atmanepada.
No, but
Lord, okay, Vartatam.
Comes from the vrid, right?
Yeah, this is an important thing. No, see, it comes from, here they have given vrit dhatu, right? Sometimes, because these are different ganas, we have not gone into gana yet. Dhatus, 2000 dhatus, verbs, are divided into 10 ganas.
Okay.
Each gana will decline in a certain way.
Okay.
Sev dhatu will be sevatam, but vrit dhatu will become vartetam. It will not be vritatam. It is the nature of that gana, that dhatu gana, that group of dhatus to take this form. So vrit, like vrit, there are other forms also. They will all become vart. Vart. Like vartate is there, right? Bhavati vartate. That is also vrit dhatu only. But vartate, it is there. Like that. Here, let there be.
Let there be.
This is lot.
But here that vrid is badana.
Where?
The word vrid.
No, not vrid, vrit. The first dhatu today. 38. Vrit dhatu, not vrid.
Okay, sorry.
Vrit dhatu will become vartate, vartatam. Hariji, samichinam.
Vrit hona, correct.
And vaha satya bole. Sundarji vadu vaha satya bole.
Sahas Satyam. Saha Satyam Vadaswa. No, Bole. Avadat.
Vaha. Bole here is lot, na? Lot atmanepada.
So,
Prathama Purusha Ekachana.
Vadatam.
Samyak. वदतां वा सत्य सः सत्यं वदतां स सत्यं वदतां if you want to see visarga all these the next ones all abhyasas go in the same way. So it would be it is good if you are able to see it, but we will see one more maybe so it gets easier. हरिजी वदतु भवान मैं गुरु की वंदना करूं. मैं गुरु की वंदना
वंदेहम no
but fully
वंदेहम
no the whole sentence
अहम गुरुम वंदै
correct Vandai. Why Vandai? Because Atmanepada.
Aham Guruho, because two Guru, right? I mean, it's
the same why it comes, no?
The say why correct. Vandai is correct. It will not be Guruho. Dvitiya Vibhakti you have to do.
Yeah, Guru. There is two Guru.
Yes.
Two Guru.
Yeah, Guru is the karma. Wonderful. It is correct. And Sundarji Vadatu Bhavan, this Shishya Cheshta Kare. That is a good one.
Okay, Shishya Cheshta Kare. Okay. So, Cheshta. Okay. So Shishya Cheshtatam. Cheshta Kare.
Shishya Cheshtatam. Samyak. Shishya Cheshtatam is correct. Yeah. Enough. Simple one. So sometimes it is not difficult. But Balak Pitaka, this will be Balakaha Pitra. Like Pitaka will be Pitaram. Sorry. Balakaha Pitaram, right? Pitaram. Sahara le. So it will be Balakaha Pitaram Alambatam.
So Pitaka would be Shashti. Balakaha, Pitaka.
Pitaka, but here this we saw that niyama, right, in Tritiya Bhakti. In the earlier Abhyasa we had seen that if it is taking Pitaka, it will just be Pitaram. Like how in this Pitra Shabda Karta page number 64. Since Pita, like this Guru, right, it will not be Guru Ho because it is Guru K. It is still the object only.
Yeah.
So Pitaram. Okay. Some little abhyasa is required in such things, but once there is abhyasa, it gets very natural. After 5-6 times, it will make sense in the Ashuddha to Shuddha. Rajam Rajena Rajaya. This is wrong. Rajanam Rajnya Rajne. The Shabda Rupa is page 64 or whatever, 65. Tvam Patena Yata. Tvam Patena Patane Yataswa. Tvam Patane Yata. Tvam Patane Yataswa. Yataswa is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Balaka Pituha Alambatu Na. Balaka Pitaram. Here they given Balaka Pitaram Alambatam. Niyama 11. This will be Abhyasa 3 or 4, 5 or 6 or whatever. Where they say, if it is Pitaram, you have to take Dvitiya, not Shashti. Okay, one more. This next Vakya Banav we'll see and then the Sandhi. Vakya Banav Hariji Vadatu. Anyatha. Anyatha iti shabdena saha Vakya. Rachatu Bhavan.
Nice song about Anyatha.
Anyatha, otherwise.
Otherwise, Satyam Vada Anyatha Pap Asti.
बहु सम्यक् पापम् अस्ति बहु समीचीनं सुन्दरजी वदतु भाषताम्
सः
भाषतां बहु सम्यक् स भाषतां कूर्दस्व विल् बि त्वं कूर्दस्व यतस्व शिक्षय अहं शिक्षय Prakritiya saha sadhu asti. By nature he is good. Prakritiya shabda. By nature. Okay. Now we see the Sandhi. Right? Eko Yanachi. Sandhi. On Ashtadhyayi app. If anyone is using this Ashtadhyayi app for Eko Yanachi, it is 6177. Like yesterday we had a number for Mo Anuswaraha. Mo Anuswaraha was
414. I have that written. And if you put Mo Anuswar, it comes.
Mo Anuswara is 8323. 8323 was Mo Anuswara yesterday. Today, Ikoyanachi 6177. Ikoyanachi is very prasiddha. Ikoyanachi, what it does is very simple. Yadi E athava E asti.
Can you please say the sutra number 116?
6177. 6.1.77.
6.1.77. Thank you.
Ikoyanachi. There, if you are seeing the Ashtadhyayi app, when Swamiji sometimes asks for vritti, this vritti comes from Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is one of the subheadings on the Ashtadhyayi app. So if you see the subheadings, you see SC Vasu, Kashika, Nyasaha, Padamanjari, etc. Like that, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi gives the vritti. In the blue, the small blue ones, here, this one. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. See? That gives the vritti. Ikaha sthane.
Which one did you tap? The blue one. This one, the blue one. Okay.
Ikaha sthane yan syadachi pare samhitayam vishaye sudhi upasi iti sthite. This syadachi samhitayam vishaye sudhi upasi iti sthite. These things for Ikoyanachi especially, just to keep in mind, it is very simple, because if the vritti is in mind, the action is also very simple.
What do you mean by vritti?
Vritti is like an explanation, a short summary.
Okay, it's not like vritti, which is thought.
It is similar. It is the same actually. Vritti. It is like a summary. Yes?
So, sorry, when Swamiji says sutram, to tell a sutram, you just say Ikoyanachi, or then you have to say what is Ikoyanachi?
Yeah, same question. So in the beginning, before class, when Swamiji says sutra or shloka, there we say this Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, if you see, Ikoyanachi and then the vritti. Vritti is a summary, okay? It is a sentential summary. It is like thought only. So it is something that comes up, an explanation of this sutra. This is the vritti. Anuvritti Sahita Sutra, they say. So vritti Sahita is with the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi.
Ikasthane yan syadachi samhitayam vishaye sudhi upasya iti sthite.
Samyak. This is what you say if tomorrow you want to say the sutra before class. Ikoyanachi and then Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi's vritti. Ikaha sthane yan syadachi samhitayam vishaye sudhi upasi iti sthiti. You have found, Hariji? Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi on the Ashtadhyayi app, they have written the vritti as well.
I don't have that type, so...
Okay, no worries. So if you want to chant, the answer is, when Swamiji asks before class sutra, he expects sutra as well as vritti. But during class...
okay, I got it. Iko and Siddhanta Kaumudi, correct?
Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi.
Okay. Iko Sane Yan Syadachi, that one?
Yes.
Okay.
Ikaha sthane yan syadachi pare samhitayam vishaye sudhi upase iti sthite. For Mo Anuswara also there was something. 8323 for Mo Anuswara, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi said mantasya padasya anuswaro hali. So that we saw yesterday itself. Anuswara comes. So if after ma antasya, after im padasya anuswara hali. So if there is a hal shabda, the anuswara comes. Otherwise it combines into one word. This was Mo Anuswara. Today Ikahastani. Ikoyanachi.
Okay, so let's look at this. I mean, I'm not able to follow any of the words.
Yes,
what is
that's okay.
Here.
Yeah, it in the beginning, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi often is it takes time to follow the writing, but it will be easy once we see the meaning of the sandhi, and then it gets very easy. So I'll just say one more thing. Before class, when Swamiji asks, he expects sutra plus vritti. During class, sometimes he says utthapanam, or he says pratyekaha. Pratyekaha, which sutra? That time only sutra is enough. No need vritti. Eco energy. That's all. Finished. Mainly the what we have to remember is the sutra. Whatever one word or two words, Mohanaswara is one word, eco energy 2 words. That is enough, actually speaking. If we want to know, get into the depth of whatever it means, then Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. One more small thing. What is the difference between Ashtadhyayi and Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi? Why we are doing the sutra plus the vritti? What is the big deal? Ashtadhyayi has 4,000 sutras. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is a new book, many years later, that takes only a special number of sutras. It selects and puts in the book. Only the important ones. I think there are about less than 1,000, I think. I have to check the actual number, but it only takes the important ones and puts in the book, and that is something we can read later. They put a vritti for it to explain that specific sutra. So many sutras will not have a vritti. It is not necessary. Okay, this is the difference. If everyone's clear, we go forward with eco energy.
We have chosen 19, which is even better. We have chosen 19 in this book, right?
19?
19.
Abhyasa 19.
No, the 19 sandhis we counted, no, that day.
Okay, 19 or 18 maybe? I don't know.
18.
Must be.
So that is even superset.
Okay.
So that's quite good.
Okay. So today we do eco energy.
Okay.
Eco energy is quite simple. What it says is E will become Ya. So for example, Prati or Iti Ekaha. This will become, because there is E at the end of Iti and A at the beginning of next, it joins them and it puts Ya. So this will become Ityekaha. Iti plus Ekaha. Ityekaha. Iti plus Anushasanam. Ityanushasanam. Iti plus Ubhayoho. Ityubayoho. Whenever the word ends in I, E, it will take the form of Ya. E also. When it ends in E as well, Iti is Hrasva E. If it is Dirgha E as well, it will join to make Ya. They have given many examples. We will see this. So this is one thing that it does. Second thing, U and U become Va. Here there is an example that they have given. Madhu Arihi. Madhvarihi. Guru Agnya. Gurvagnya. Is that also given? That is not. That is also given here. Guru plus Agnya. Gurvagnya. Guru plus Adi will become Gurvadi. If the word ends in E, it becomes Ya when the Sandhi works. If the word ends in U, it becomes Va when the Sandhi works. This is when the second word starts with a vowel.
Okay.
Agnya, Anushasanam, Ekaha, Ubhayaha, everything is a vowel starting word. If it is a consonant, they just come together. Guru plus Vandanam, Guru Vandanam. There is no difference, then nothing happens there. This Sandhi will work when the second word begins with a vowel. They have also given Ru ko Ir, Ru ko Il. So right now when we see this, it is very confusing. This is the Pratipadika. So for example, when the Pratipadika ends in R, Shatr, etc. will come, or R, that Pratipadika with the next word will become Ir or Il. They have given examples. When we see the examples, it becomes very clear. Jaise Pratyekaha, Pratyekaha. Ityaha, Ityaha. Page 38 down, last column. Yadyapi, Yadyapi. Because Yadi, E plus A is a vowel, becomes Ya. Yad, Yapi. Sudhi, Upasyaha, E. Hrasva, Dirgha, E doesn't matter. It will take Ya only. So Sudhi, Upasyaha, Sudhyu, Pasyaha. Sudhyu, Pasyaha. Sudhi Upasya becomes Sudhyupasya. If it is Sudhi Upasya, then also it will be Sudhyupasya only. Sandhi works, the result is the same both ways. Hrasva Dirgha. Madhu Arihi Madhvarihi. Vadhu Au Vadhvau. You see, same way. When the sandhi works, whether it is hrasva ending or dirgha ending, va only. U or u both become va. So vadhu, au, vadvau. Guru, agnya, gurvagnya. Then the example for the r. So pitru, we already saw pitru shabda. Pitru plus a, pitra. We had seen in the shabda rupa as well. Pitru plus a became pitra. Dhatru plus amshaha, dhatramshaha. R plus akriti, la akriti. R plus adayaha, ladayaha. Ladayaha also comes in some vrittis. So main thing we have to know is if there is a pratipadika, if there is a shabda ending in e, u, r or r. Iko yanachi sandhi works. When it is, then the second word that is following it starts with a vowel. If it starts in a consonant, it stays the same.
So this one in our exercise where it says para plus aya is palaya, is palaya.
In the exercise, no, para plus aya, this is not sandhi karma.
It is not sandhi.
Para plus aya, they have split para upasarga.
Oh.
Like Upanishad Shabda, upa plus ni, both are upasargas with sat dhatu.
Correct.
Like that, para is an upasarga with I dhatu.
With I dhatu.
That has become palai. It has become a new dhatu. The upadargas made it into a new form. So that is not sandhi karma. The plus is there, but it is not sandhi. So we see example sandhi karo is given. Hariji vadatu yadi api. यद्यपि यद्यपि हाँ भवानेव वदतु इति प्लस अत्र इत्यत्र सुंदरजी वदतु पठति प्लस अत्र पठत्यत्र लिखतु योगमत्र लिखत्वत्र हरिजी पठतु प्लस इति किं भवति पठतु इति किं भवति
पठ्वेदि
पठतु इति
पठत्वेदि
पठत्विति इति पठत्विति we'll see one more पठतु अस्य किं भवति
पठत्वसि
पठत्वस्य सम्यक् पठतु अस्य पठत्वस्य पठतु असि पठत्वसि whatever. One more. Pathatu plus, let's say, iha. Patatu iha. Here you should read. Patatu iha.
Patatviha.
Patatviha. Samyak. So this is simple. When the e or e are joined with a vowel which is not e or e, then ya. When u or vu joined with a vowel starting word which is not u or vu, vu. So this much is equoyanati. Equoyanati is maybe the sandhi that comes most often in our bhashati.
Can we just try and just explain this word by word in the Laghu Kaumudi?
In vritti, okay. In vritti. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Yeah. You have to first see where to split it. Ikaha shabda. So this will come. Actually, we should maybe see this once. This follows something called the Maheshwara Sutrani. We had discussed this in the beginning. Ikaha consists of e, u, r, and r. All this is called ikaha. Oh. So all these ikaha in all these sthane, in these places,
where would we see all that?
It is there
on this website.
On this website, I don't think it is there, but I can share a PDF. I've got a PDF of the Maheshwara Sutrani which says ikaha means all these, some other hal means all these. I can share that. Okay. So in place of all these things, in place of ikaha, sthane kim vibhakti?
Sthane is
kasmin vibhakti asti?
In its place, right? In its place. So therefore, in Saptami, no?
Saptami. Sthane, Saptami vibhakti. Ikaha sthane. In the place of ikaha, yan syad. Yan syad. Ya becomes. But yan includes va also. This will also come in the Maheshwara Sutrani. Ikaha, i adi. Ikaha. I adi, I, u, etc. Yan, ya adi, ya, va, etc. So yan syal. Achi, samhitayam vishaye, when it is followed by a vowel. In this Vishaya, again Saptami. In this Vishaya, in Samhitayam of this Samhita, in this place, when it is followed by a vowel, Ikaha becomes Ya, Yan. So I becomes Ya, U becomes Va, etc. Sudhi Upasya iti sthite. So iti sthite, this will become this way in Sudhi. Sudhi, how do we explain Sudhi in English? Sudhi Upasya, no, in this way it works. It is sthite, it stays in such a way. Sudhi Upasya. In this Upasya would be.
But here they have not bought the r is also.
No, because Ikaha
will include all that.
Yeah. Ikaha includes I, U, R and R. Yan includes Ya, Va and Ra, La also. Ya, Va, Ra, La are all in Yan. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Those four are in Yan. Ikaha includes I, U, and R. These 6 vowels.
Thank you, sir.
I will check for the exact good English translation of the Sudhi Upasya and say on and share on Thursday. Okay. Any questions before we end?
Hariji, I don't see me ever responding to Swamiji's vritti for some time.
It will come.
Vritti, sorry?
Yes.
We'll end this and then we discuss.
Vritti is going to be very hard.
Oh.
I don't want to terrorize myself.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyagato Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavad Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om